Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, that is Tech Infomania. Hopefully you all must be doing good. So today's video is about Samsung Galaxy S5, and this S5 was born back in 2014, and this one is 3 years oldest so far, but still the best. So Galaxy S5 Android update goes up to Marshmallow, that is 6.0.1, and the one in my hands is still on KitKat, version is 4.4.4. So after watching my videos on my channel, someone requested me and sent me this device to have a newest custom ROM on it, and I have to update this S5 first to stock Marshmallow via Odin Software, and then will flash custom recovery and then may have a custom ROM. So as I mentioned before in my earliest videos, that those who are using custom ROMs will always wanna be on custom ROMs. So going ahead, and first thing is that to download the stock Android firmware from www.sammobile.com and also Odin Software from same site, and we'll start the procedure of flashing stock firmware now. So I will give the link in my video description down below there, and when you click the link, the page will open, that is sammobile.com, and you have to be registered here. Without registration you cannot download any firmware of Samsung. So after the registration, click the firmware section, and then you have to type your model number. So just check your model number and download your firmware according to your model number. Mine one is G900P, that is Sprint logo set, so I will type G900P, and then I will select the latest one, and that is 6.0.1. After clicking that, you will see down there download Odin, and you have to download this file from this site. So when your download finish, keep all the files in one folder, and I already download the firmware, so I'm not going to download it again. And remember, doing anything before, please install the Windows driver for USB, a Samsung USB driver. I will give that link too in my video description down there. So install the drivers, because if you did not, your set will not be detected and you cannot flash anything. So when everything done, open that folder and open the Odin file, run it as administrator permission, and when your Odin is open, go to and click the AP option and go to that folder where you save the firmware, and you have to unzip that firmware file. I already unzipped that file, so I will go, since I will just select that file, and after selecting, Odin is ready to flash the firmware on Galaxy S5. So now I am going to boot my Galaxy S5 in Odin mode, or I can say in other words download mode. So I have to boot my set in download mode, Odin mode. So and for that there is a 3 keys combination: volume down key, home key, and then I will power on the device. So I will press volume down, keep pressing it, home key, keep pressing it, then power on the device, and when device switch on, you will see a warning screen. There will be written for continue volume up. Press the volume up key and your set is booted in Odin mode. So now you have to connect the cable, and my other side cable is connected with my laptop. And remember, please check your battery. Your battery should be 50% charge. Click start. It will start flashing, and flashing will take around 5 to 6 minutes. And when this flashing complete, it will restart, and the set will boot in recovery, and you will see something will be going on in recovery. And what I do always, like after flashing stock firmware, I restart the set. Like when it restart automatically, second time I restart and I boot in recovery by myself, and I go and wipe everything. I always do this whenever I flash stock firmware, so I just sure to make sure myself that my firmware is flash perfectly. So the flushing is completed. As you can see, there's a message of pass, and I can remove my set, and I can remove the cable which was connected for flushing. And first boot will be the recovery boot, and the second boot I have to boot it in recovery. As I mentioned before, that I always do this, that after whenever I flash stock firmware and second boot, I always boot in recovery, and I wipe the data first, then I restart my set, and then I boot the stock firmware. And this just to make myself sure that if something is left behind, it will erase and my stock firmware will be stable and smooth. So press the volume down key, go to the wipe data factory reset option, press the power key, it will start wiping data. And when your data wiping finish, just press the power key to reboot the device. First boot will take around 15 to 16 minutes, and my set is flashed already now, and I have to wait to boot this guy up. And I will make other video of flashing custom recovery and then custom ROM. Thank you for watching the video. So help me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.